Every meeting bot you invite to your calls is uploading your voice to somebody else's servers. Your product roadmap, your salary talks, your legal calls, sitting in a cloud you don't control. This open source tool does the whole job. Recording, transcription, AI summaries, 100% on your own machine. I put it through a real test, and I'm showing you everything including where it falls apart. This is Meetily, a privacy-first meeting assistant from Zaccaria Solutions. 23,000 stars on GitHub, MIT licensed, completely free. Under the hood, it's a Tauri desktop app with a Rust core. Audio capture, transcription, storage, even the summary model. Everything runs locally. No account, no API key, no cloud. And the privacy pitch isn't paranoia. IBM puts the average data breach at $4.4 million, and meeting recordings are exactly the kind of data that leaks. Install is genuinely one file. Grab the 41 megabyte setup file from GitHub releases, run it, done. Mac gets a DMG, and Linux builds from source. On first launch, Meetily pulls down 2 engines, Parakeet Lightning for transcription, that's NVIDIA's speech model, about 640 megabytes, and Qwen 3.54b as a built-in summary model, about 2.6 gigabytes. On my connection, the whole setup took about 4 minutes. In settings, you can swap Parakeet for local whisper if you want maximum accuracy over speed. And for summaries, you're not locked in. Built-in offline AI is the default, but it also talks to Ollama, Claude, Grok, OpenAI, OpenRouter, or any custom endpoint. Small detail I love, analytics are opt-in, not opt-out. Time for a real test. I played a fake stand-up meeting through my speakers. 2 speakers, real decisions, real action items, and hit record. Transcription happens live, on device, with timestamps. You can watch it, keep up as people talk. Now, honest moment, listen to what happened to the phrase, Stripe webhooks are failing on international cards. Stripe failing on international cards, payment integration became the integrity, and Thursday became bird check, speakers to air to microphone. Parakeet did its best. Stop the recording, and everything is saved locally. 12 transcript segments plus the raw audio in a folder you own. Before generating the summary, you can feed it context, who's in the meeting, what it's about, then one click. Here's con number 1 though, the built-in summarizer runs on CPU only, my GPU set at 0%, while a 4B model chewed through a 90-second meeting for around 2 to 3 minutes. But look at what came back. Key decisions extracted, delay the launch until the bug is fixed, stakeholders updated by Friday, and a full action items table with owners, due dates, and links back to transcript timestamps. That structure is genuinely better than most cloud tools I've used. But the garbage in problem is real. BirdCheck made it into the key decisions as an actual agenda item. The summary is only ever as good as the transcript underneath it. One thing that did impress me, with 0 speaker labels, it still pinned the right tasks on Sarah and Mike purely from context. Real speaker diarization though is only coming in the paid pro version. There's also an import mode currently in beta. Feed it any audio file, MP3, WAV, even video files, and it batch transcribes the whole thing. My 77-second meeting transcribed in about 15 seconds, and from the clean file, accuracy jumped to near perfect. Stripe webhooks, payment integration, international cards, all correct this time. That's the real lesson here. Transcription quality tracks your audio path. Clean digital audio in, clean transcript out. So let's score it. 6 things Meetily gets right. 1. It's actually local. Kill your Wi-Fi and everything still works. Recording, transcription, summaries. 2. Free and MIT licensed. No seat pricing, no meeting caps, and the code is right there. 3. The model lineup is smart. Parakeet for real-time speed, Whisper for accuracy, 4 built-in summary models from Gemma 1B up to Qwen 3.54b, plus every external provider if you want more brains. 4. It captures system audio and your microphone together with professional mixing. No bot joining your call, no browser extension. 5. Import and enhance. Old recordings, voice memos, downloaded webinars, batch, transcribe them all locally. 6. The summaries have real structure, decision lists, and action item tables with owners and timestamps, not a paragraph of mush. Now, the 6 honest problems. 1. No speaker diarization in the free version. Everything reads as one voice, and the summary model has to guess who said what. Sometimes it guesses wrong. 2. Built-in summaries are CPU only. Almost 3 minutes for a 90-second meeting on my machine. A real hour-long meeting means a real wait, or you point it at Olama on your GPU. 3. Live accuracy depends heavily on your audio setup. Speaker bleed into the mic, mangled brand names badly. 4. Garbage in, garbage out. The summary inherits transcript errors, so skim the transcript before you trust the action items. 5. It's hungry. 3.5 gigabytes of models on disk, and the 4B summarizer wants about 4 gigs of free RAM while it runs. 6. The best upcoming features, diarization, custom templates, advanced exports, are headed to the paid pro tier, not the open source core. Verdict. If you handle sensitive calls, legal, medical, or just your own company's roadmap, this is the strongest free local option I've tested. Pair it with Olama for faster summaries and import clean recordings when accuracy matters. Links to the repo and my full test notes are in the description. If this video saved you a subscription, subscribe here instead. It's free and it stays on your device. See you in the next one.